Hi friends, it's me,
Jody Lynn,
your friendly neighborhood instructional coach for ELA. I received an email asking me how to create a video so that teachers can create Screencastify videos for their students. You can do it in a few ways. First, you can add Screencastify to your Chrome browser. You can see that my Screencastify is right here. It'll save to your Google Drive, but something that I like better than Screencastify is Screencast-O-Matic, and I have it pinned to my bar here, but you can click on New to Screencast-O-Matic and you can sign up with your Google account. It's going to ask you if you want to launch the recorder. When you click that, you're just going to be patient and wait, obviously. It's going to download. Once it's done downloading, you just want to click and open it for the first time. What I like best, do you see how it puts this checkered line around things, so you can grab what you like, what part of the screen you want to hold on to, so you can grab it that way. You can also go to webcam where it would take your picture. You could do webcam in both where you see where it would go. You notice here you want to make sure that your narration is on. So do you see as I'm talking these green buttons go? So once you are ready to grab whatever video you want, and I usually, when I'm just doing directions, I just keep it on screen because I'm usually grabbing a part of the screen for the students. You would click this record button. When you click the record button, it's going to count you down as you see, and then it's going to start recording. You want to be sure that you can see right here that it's counting down. You have up to 15 minutes for free. Once you're finished, you want to hit pause. It's going to ask you if you're done. You would click that, and it asks you how you want to save your video. Do you want to save it and upload? Do you want to do a quick share or edit? I always go to save and upload when it asks me to review it. So you could play it, and then it's going to start so you can test it there. I would recommend saving it as a video file into your Google Drive. So you're going to click there. I would change the name to what you want it to be. It's going to save it as an MP4. So I'm just going to say sample recording. And then it's going to hit publish. It's going to take a few minutes depending on the size. And then what you can do right here is you can copy the path and then you can link that into the document that you want. I hope that helps you. Remember, this is the Screencast-O-Matic version, but there's also a Screencastify version that you can add to your Chrome bar. And those are easy ways that you can make videos, instructional videos for your students. Hope that helps. Have a great day, you guys.